Hello everyone. My talk today is titled From Forest to City, Singing Pattern, Oriental magpie-robin, Copsychus saularis in Dehradun, India. Bird songs are not just beautiful, they are critical for communication, mate attraction, and territory defense. But in today's rapidly urbanizing world, the question is how do birds adjust their songs to cope with city noise? We know urban habitats are much noisier. Traffic, construction, and human activity create a low frequency background hum. This can mask bird songs, forcing them to adjust their frequencies or even change their structures. The Oriental magpie-robin, a common but melodious passerine, gave us the perfect opportunity to study how song structure shifts between forest and urban habitats. Our study was carried out in the Lachiwala range of the Dehradun Forest Division. We had two sites, 530 hectares of forest and 640 hectares of urban area. During the breeding season, from March to May 2022, we recorded songs systematically using Zoom H1N recorders and analyzed them with Raven Pro software. We focused on three things: minimum and maximum frequencies, dominant frequency, and whether songs showed variation like addition and deletion of elements or not. These results fit well with the acoustic adaptation hypothesis that says birds in noisy environment shift their pitch upwards to make sure their signal is heard. Song plasticity in urban individuals suggests flexibility and even cultural evolution, borrowing and improvising on elements to ensure effective communication. This is an adaptive response that allows them to survive in fragmented and noisy habitats. So, what did we find? First, the core song structure of songs remain consistent across both habitats. That means the magpie robin does not lose its identity when moving to urban landscapes. But we observed two important differences in urban birds. They sang at higher maximum frequencies, likely to avoid being masked by low frequency noises. And secondly, they showed greater song plasticity, often addition and deletion of elements compared to forest birds. Forest birds, in contrast, kept their songs simpler and more stable. Why does this matters? Because it shows us how birds are actively reshaping their behavior in response to urbanization. Yes, they are adapting, but these adjustments may come at a cost energetically or even in reproductive success. So, studying vocal adaptation not only helps us understand bird ecology, but also how resilient species like the magpie robin cope with rapidly environmental change. And perhaps most importantly, it gives us insight into the future of bird song evolution in our cities. I would like to acknowledge School of Environment and Natural Resources, Doon University, and Uttarakhand Forest Department for their support in this study. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.